Okay, good morning, everyone. Happy new month, happy December, happy trading. We've been stacking and we're building some portfolios here. Why I'm doing this video is because someone just asked me why on over 8,000 pips sell, 800 pips sell in the last how many hours? In the last 8 hours. 8 hours, yes. In the last 8 hours. Is it 8? We're on let me just say in the last 10 hours. Because when we woke up this morning, you know what Asian session usually do? Asian session just, expanded and took out a lot of, billions of dollars were taken out of the market. I've been talking about this liquidity for a very long time right now, even when we're at $1,800. So whenever I'm trading, I usually eye liquidity. Are you getting it? I usually eye gold loss liquidity. As at today, I've been talking about this since 1,800. Let me go to the weekly time frame. I've been talking about this. This was what I've been eyeing since 1, 2, 3 weeks. Is it? No, sorry. I've been talking about this liquidity concept. I think I have the video on my since March 2020. Definitely the market makers are saying this liquidity from August 2020, 3 years ago, 3 years and a few months ago, so definitely gold will never go down without taking those liquidity. And right now gold is confirming a massive bull run. Even I think this run will be massive, more than even the Nasdaq. We're talking about the Nasdaq. Now, is it a time to sell? No. The market is only reacting to the millions of this is not even millions, billions of dollars shorts that has been taken out. So right in the middle of the night before the London session opened, gold used the Asian session to use over from I think it expanded from 2071 all the way to 2071 all the way to $2,136, over 300 pips to 2,100, and then another many thousand pips to to 2,136. You getting it? That's over 700 to 800 pips that is happening. So definitely the market has lost billions of dollars to the banks and the market makers, the financial institutions, normal traders. You go and check liquidity pool right now, you see that a lot of shorts liquidations has been taken out. A lot of people are crying right now. A lot of people have lost billions of dollars. Are you getting it? So this was what we were eyeing in the month of, I think, where we go here, where we were about in this area. I was hoping that do you think the market makers will have enough cash around this area to come and take all this liquidities out? No, they didn't. I was saying, even me, with just trading is just a reflex action. Are you getting it? It's just following what, just like you are a driver do you have to focus all the time? You can still talk while driving. So it has to come from the mind, and 100%, or let me say, 90% psychology, not even what you're saying on support or resistance or technical analysis here. So from all I'm saying here, all indications, it's not a time to sell. It's not even a time to buy also. Just follow what is happening. We're discussing about, a buyers ready to buy from here. We looked for a chart pattern, the market structure, and buyers were not convinced. Are you getting it? So they had to do an ABC corrective wave after this ABCD harmonic pattern. Okay, so I was talking about these bullish waves. The market moves in waves, and cycles and waves. The waves I've been seeing all the way since November 2022 was these ABCD harmonic pattern. Are you getting it? And an Elliott wave correction to the downside. So it still found support at those most important areas of value, which the market, what the market does and uses. Are you getting it? So after doing that, what next is continuation. So gold is continuing to the upside. So if you are a long-term trader, a position trader, you should know what is happening, in the market right now. So all I can see is that the market is moving perfectly well. And if you are wondering why the market expanded to $2,136, and right now we're at $2,064 on gold. You should know this because of this liquidities that has been taken. Liquidity in the sense that people were shorting 3 years ago. Some people even still have their position size, thinking like, okay, let me take an entry from here and shut this market down. There are still some trades for 3 years. It's not me and you that were trading every day. From here, there are still some people that enter trade and put stop losses above billions of dollars, put stop losses above billions of dollars, put stop losses above. But whenever you see weeks like this next time, you should know that market makers definitely know that a lot of money are in those areas, so they will spend any amount, billions of dollars, to go and take them out first. So whatever is happening right now is money that has left, has been liquidated into these market makers. So the market makers, came together. I don't know, they will come together and take all these liquidities. Understand what liquidity means. I don't know how to explain that. So that's what the market is reacting to right now. So if you're asking what next, just be on the higher time frame. That's why I usually tell you that be on the higher time frame. This is a previous resistance at $2,000, which is a psychological area right now that's non support. So I know this Friday, this week's Friday, today's Monday, this week's Friday is NFP. So if I am not greedy, I should be done for 2024. Are you getting it? I should be done for 2024. Whatever I'm expecting right now, even though I'm done for 2024, at least I should be preparing for. I should be done for 2023. Sorry, I should be preparing for 2024. So whatever we have right now, are you getting it? Is the weekly time frame. Remember what happened. If you're on the weekly time frame, you will not even bother about this noise that is on the lower time frames that is making you lose money. Think of a long-term goal. Even though you have a $1,000 account, a 0.1 with this kind of movement from 1,800 to 2,300 is about $3,000. Are you getting it? So you have to build a portfolio. It's going to take time, but you have to focus on the higher time frame and try to take your interest from the lower task. The lowest you would take interest from, maybe probably the 4-hourly structures. Are you getting it? So where right now, like, okay, questions have been asked. That's why I'm doing this video. The question is, where are we right now? For me, I don't think I should be doing anything right now. I think I explained a lot of values to you that trading further, if you don't know what 1,800, 1,900, 1,940, 1,980 and $2,000 means, then you should not be trading. If you have been in this market since January of 2023, this is where we had all the major support and resistance. Are you getting it? Where the market has reacted from. I talked about this. I think I have this in a video. Are you getting it? Where I said this place is a major area of value, which is $1,800 area. So it's either you are buying for 1,800 or waiting for this market to switch to the upside, which is after breaking from these after breaking from this descending triangle, switch to the upside, then come back to this major area of value and see if we can find support. And we checked all the confluences, and what are the confluences we used? A lot of confluences we used in determining that particular place. And what was that place? Let me show you. Let me drop probably to the daily time frame. This was in an area that was really getting us messed up, getting you messed up, not even me. I have these areas in my brain before: 1940, 1945, $90, $30 area, which that if we're actually breaking out from these descending channel, if we're actually breaking out from this descending channel to break to the upside, we are not supposed to go down more than 0.382 Fibonacci retracement zone. So if you had not had this change of character, you've not seen this change of character that happened after that breakout. Are you getting it? I'm talking very fast because I don't really expect this video to be long. That was a change of character that happened. So if that's truly a change of character, it should come to a particular area of value to come and stand, which was this previous area that he broke and did, and that emergency video that came down to $1,800, psychological weekly support and resistance zone. Are you getting it? So we expanded from there. So the last resort we had was trying to use our Fibonacci retracement tools. Are you getting, to find out 0.382 where it's coming to, and definitely it actually corresponded with our $1,932 area, which we started taking our trades from. And from there, what happened next? We did, it's just as simple as that. What after you doing that, you're seeing that the market has switched to the upside. What next? Just bring your Fibonacci trend extension in, and just what do you do when you're using your Fibonacci trend extension? You just extend and put your extension to the top and put it at the bottom here. Then you get your take profit. The first take profit was 0.382, second take profit was 0.786, and the last take profit was $2,127 area, which we took just 2,100 last result, and we've taken it right now. That was why that was why the market, sorry about that, that was just what we were expecting, for October, November, December. At least buying from 1,800, we've switched, moved away from what's it called, a descending channel, which is a bullish continuation pattern. We perfectly tested this $30 area, which is also a 0.382 Fibonacci, which is also a very, very resistance before now turn support. So we should extending to go and take everybody. Are you getting it? On the this place is out, on this liquidity is out. Now what next? What next is waiting for $2,000. I don't care how it's, even though it continues expanding, I'm waiting for $2,000. I don't care how long it's gonna take. If you like, it takes till February. I'm waiting for $2,000 psychological area, because this is now an Elliott wave 1 2 3 4 5 continuation. And what is the rule for this right now? This is 1, this is 2. Are you getting it? 3 always what? I think I should bring the Elliott wave in. If you've been following my theory and my strategy, you hear me talking about Elliott wave rules and what's it called? Elliott wave rules. And this is 1, this is 2, this is 2, sorry, this is 2. 3 always does what? Breaks a major, are you getting it? A major support or resistance, a major support or resistance zone. Then 4 cannot, I'm coming, hold on. 4 cannot do what? 4 cannot go below 1. Are you getting? Then 5 will complete. Are you getting it? This particular wave. I've talked about this in my August, October, or November video. It's there. Are you getting it? Low key, a lot of people know that this channel is one of the biggest and the best channel, but I don't know. If you don't want to make money and you want to use sentiment, that's your problem. Are you getting it? So we are not there yet, but definitely we're building a portfolio little by little, get there. Trading is not just it's not a get rich quick scheme. A lot of people that have made it took years, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 years, even though before they were able to come out and say that, okay, I'll build something for myself. So for me, there's no point buying from these areas. I just want to come back to my major support zones. Then my RSI is even showing me on the daily that I'm over bought already, so why should I be buying? I want to see me down here on the 4-hourly or on the on the daily. I want to come back. I want the market to be over bought again. Are you getting it? Over sold again before I'll start buying. Are you getting it? So probably I'll use the 4-hourly chart. Okay, I'm not using the paid trading view. So although I'm waiting for right now, since the market gave me my RSI buy signal on the 4-hourly chart, so I think it's a 4-hourly structure, because you use the 4-hourly to trend the weekly time frame. Are you getting it? The 4-hourly is what trends the weekly time frame. So I'm waiting for the market to come all the way down here. Are you getting it? To give me a signal around $2,000 area. Why am I waiting for $2,000 area? It's just common sense now. If we have been fighting to break above $2,000 since, and we took all the liquidities, all the short, everybody, all the big buyers, as in all the big sellers out right now, what next? It's just coming back to a psychological area, which is also even standing as a support. Are you getting it? Right now, it was a previous resistance, a previous major zone from the year 2020. Now they have taken everybody out for us. That might probably hinder us from breaking above. Are you getting? Now all those billions of dollars shorts that we are from 2020. The market has helped us taking it out right now. So what next? What next is, the market finishing reacting to whatever is reacting to when NFP is going to come out. No problem on Friday. To me, I will just use my sentimental analysis and brain. Are you getting a 100% balanced psychology to know that whatever, even though it continue expanding, does not concern me. I want to buy from my major areas of value, and my major area of value right now is my major psychological barrier, which is $2,000. I think, let me go to that goal. So I want to buy from $2,000. Without that, I am not buying. I get it. So I will just wait 2024, let the market continue expanding, and give me a structure in the sense that we've done an impulse, a retracement, an impulse right now. I want an under retracement and a change of character and continue with the market. So I can just even say, okay, 2024 is a bull run. Are you getting it? So depending on what the news that is coming out from the American economy, are you getting it? Because I don't think they are still going to the FOMC, what's it called? Federal Reserve is still going to raise rates in America anymore. Are you getting? So I just think, okay, next year is recession for them, so they're going to try to correct inflation and the economy. So that's what I just think. So I was supposed to do this video on the laptop, but I just feel there's no point going to the laptop. Let me just do a rough video analysis on my phone and just upload on YouTube for people that are asking questions. If not, I am no longer trading for this year. But I want to take a challenge, instead of letting this December 2023 to be boring. I'll be trading options. So options is coming next.